Hi, it's Andy Robinson from Andy Robinson RC here, and on today's episode we have a Tamiya Hornet Jun Watanabe edition. So these are getting quite hard to find now, and if you can find one, they tend to be rather expensive to buy as well. Now the Jun Watanabe edition was released in March 2012, and it's under kit 58527. I think that's right, 58527. Yes, so I've been looking for one of these for a while, and I managed to pick one up. And this will be again, this is another early Christmas present Christmas present, and it's going to be restored, and we're going to take a little bit of a closer look at it. Okay, now originally, actually, before we get to taking a closer look at the buggy, I had one of these when they first came out, and when they released them in England, initially I think there was a release of 250 or 249 vehicles, and each came, with a certificate. And from what I remember, I had number 47. Now, after a year or two of having it, I stupidly sold it. I've done this a lot, but I sold mine, though it did go to a good mate of mine, and he looks after it very well, so it's not a problem in that sense. But I sort of wished I'd held on to it. So since sort of then, or at least the last few years, I've been looking to. I've been looking to replace the one I had and get another one. Now this one came up on eBay, and although they can go for silly money, this was about average priced. Anyway, so so basically I should have never got rid of the one I had, but I did. You live and learn, hopefully. Anyway, so here it is. This is now going to be my Jun Watanabe Hornet Special Edition. So let's take a little closer look. Now, unfortunately, the body, although it's not split or battered, it's not been well done at all. Some of the decals are in completely the wrong place, and as you can see, there's no white body colour paint on it either. So we'll whip this off a minute. Yeah, now I can tell you now. Okay, these side pink purple panels, they should actually be on the chassis here, side of the chassis, and also for this front sticker here, that also goes, or should go, on the very front of the chassis tub there. So yes, so that's not correct, and also the stickers aren't being applied overly well. They're in the wrong places, and it's just not been painted. So the body might be salvageable for something else. To be honest, I'm going to get a new Hornet body for it, and I'll either, most likely I'll get a set of decals from MCI Racing, as I think they are available, these stickers, but they are mega money. So we'll see. So it might be an MCI job for the decals. Okay, now, so take a closer look. So, it is essentially a standard Hornet. It just has the limited edition coloured plastics. It's got its white springs, which are good. The only other one these feature on, as far as I'm aware, is the black edition Grasshopper. I say it's got all of its got its pink ball joint cups and the pink steering knuckles, which is good. I'm pleased about that. Tyres, although they're a little grubby from use, are actually in pretty damn good condition as well. It has got its pink alloy wheel nuts as well. It does need ball racing, so we're going to get that done to it as well when I rebuild the thing. So yeah, all it does really, I mean, it's not in bad nick actually, it's been used, but on the whole, it's in pretty good nick. And to be honest, the cost of these things, they're so silly in price, this is probably not a bad one actually at all. And it's just going to get cleaned up, and yeah, refurbished, put back together, looking all nice, hopefully. So that's the plan. I even actually, I'm not going to say what just yet, but I might even go with a different body as well for this. Do it in the same Jun Watanabe livery, but on a different body. But we'll see anyway. So, also it came with the an Ansman Racing 2.4 gig 3-channel W6 transmitter and receiver, and I think that is also an Ansman Cyrus. I think it's a 12-turn ESC. Basically, it's an M-Tronic CSC, I think, with an Ansman badge on it. Anyway, I'm going to test that out actually soon. Oh, Futaba S3 103 steering servo. So I'm going to check all this works. Just got the standard Mabushi RS540 motor as well. So yeah, it needs a strip down basically. So that's going to happen. But also, it did come with the other set of wheels. Now, when you bought this kit, sorry, maybe watching what I'm filming. When you bought this kit, you got a set of white rims, which are currently fitted, and you got the standard black tyres. And then you also got a set of black rims and the pink tyres. So it did come with its black rims, but unfortunately, I'm a bit gutted really that they're not the best. They've got some like curbing, or you know, where it's hit things and it's, you know, it's made a bit of a mess of the wheels. So not ideal. So I don't know. I will probably look for another set of black rims, to be honest. But we will see. So anyway, but it did come with the spare tyres and rims. And then, as you can see in the back, I'm going to get them out. Just come with some shock oil and some you know, grease and hex wrench and some tools. So it came with them. So we'll do. I'll go into the spares pack, no doubt. But what I also got as well, which I'm rather pleased about. Now, funny enough, I found these before I found the actual buggy, but I did want to get them anyway, even if I hadn't found the buggy. I've got here a brand new set, not been used, of tyres for the Watanabe edition Hornet. And they've had, as you can see as well, they've had the lettering done in white, which looks smart. I like that. But yeah, as you can see, these have never been used. So, and again, they're so expensive to get hold of, these tyres, especially a full set and new. And yeah, so really pleased I managed to pick them up for it as well. So yeah, so they will go back on this buggy when it's done, for when I'm not running it, because I don't want to knacker up these tyres. Probably just either use these for running it, the ones that are on it, or I'll just fit a set of standard Hornet tyres for running it. But yes, we'll see anyway. So, there we go. So that is my Tamiya Jun Watanabe Hornet. And I look forward to getting this rebuilt. Don't think it'll take a lot of work, to be honest. It'll be fairly quick. But, you know, it's... Though I'm unsure when it's going to be done yet, because I did say it's a Christmas present, so we'll have to see. I might have to box it up for a month yet. But yeah, also as well, you can see that the suspension's all jammed up. It's really stiff. So that, it needs a good strip and clean out. But it shouldn't be too much work. And yeah, so there we go. That's that. I'm looking forward to building that up soon. And also, coming hopefully this week, I also managed to pick up another, I'm going to point the camera at this one, but I've got another Grasshopper Black Edition on its way, and I picked that up at a really good price off Facebook Marketplace. It's only been run once or twice. And yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get that, and I'm going to look at it compared to the one I've got. So I have to dig out the other body shell for this one here, and I'm going to basically make one really good one, and then the other can just be used for running, which is cool. So, yeah, all right, there we go. Cheers for checking this video out. There'll be more content coming as soon as possible. And if you would consider giving us, the channel, a subscribe, and giving us a like and hitting that notification button, that would be much appreciated. And we look forward to seeing you on our next episode. Okay, see you soon, guys and girls. Take care and look after yourselves. Goodbye.